Hello guys. Museum time.
Thank you very much.
Museum time.
Gallery.
Oh, this is cool guys. Cool. Some things. Oh, look at that there. Oh, this is from the Holy Week. This is from the Holy Week theme. There's oh, cute. Yeah, these are kind of cool. What are the things that we got pot making? Ito yung ginamit sa Holy Week Mukha si tatay. Mukha si tatay.
Hindi mo, akala ko tao talaga.
Oo nga ako din Ito yung ginamit sa Holy Week
Ito yung mga mga puon.
Ito yung ginamit sa Holy Week. Ay! Ito yung alam ko to
Sa ano?
Yung pinapalo sa likod.
Oo, penitensya.
Yung parang ito, yung
Mga corona na Holy Week.
sa Holy Week yan.
Alam mo ba ang ginagawa dyan? Kaya nagdudugo.
Alam ko,
Hindi naman nakakaano yun
kinakat-kat
Lalagyan.
ng razor. Nakita ko yun sa KMJS. Ganda pala dito. Wait lang, nagbe-video ako. Totoo pala yung this thing. This one. This is the thing. Nagulat nga ako. Titignan ko to. Ano pala dito First time ko lang makapunta sa museum na ganito. This is the most biggest parol ever. Ano to? Ano yan? Yan yata lumang typewriter o ano? Hey, tingin pa tayo guys. I still want to look at those guys. Wait lang. These guys have razors in their backs, and that is the real thing that they used for the things in Holy Week. If you guys seen it, then yes, good job. And here's the guy, and you might think the crucifixion is fake. It is actually real. And pottery making. The world's biggest parol is right there. Some more stuff that we can look at. Some more stuff. And this is cool.